Welcome to Avsar, your ultimate cashback companion. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to an exciting offer by Sportsbazi. Whether you're a seasoned fantasy sports player or simply enjoy the thrill of live gaming, this offer is crafted to elevate your sports experience. Sportsbazi is not just another gaming platform. It's a vibrant community where sports enthusiasts can immerse themselves in a variety of fantasy formats, live games, and innovative challenges. And here's the best part. Engaging with this offer on the Avsar app earns you rewards. By installing and registering for Sportsbazi through Avsar and playing Predictor Leagues, you can earn up to 750 coins. Please note that the reward amount is subject to change. So be sure to open the Avsar app and check the reward for today. This offer is perfect for anyone aged 18 and above, living anywhere in India. Before you dive in, there are a few important rules to keep in mind. This offer is available to all users, and the user must click on your shared link to register, and the user must add at least 25 rupees to the Sportsbazi app. Also, the user must play 5 Predictor Leagues games within the app to be eligible for the payout. Now, let's walk through how to get started and complete the Sportsbazi offer through Avsar. First, open the Avsar app and head to the search bar. Type Sportsbazi to quickly locate the offer. Once you've found it, tap to open it and take a moment to explore all the details. Next, click on the Share button, and you'll be given the option to share the offer via image plus text or text only. Choose the option that suits you best, and then share the link through your favorite social media platforms or messaging apps. After sharing the link, the next step is to click on it, which will direct you to download the Sportsbazi app. A permission request will pop up. Just press Download anyway. Once the file is downloaded, click on Open File. You may be prompted to go into your settings to allow the installation. Simply navigate to your settings, enable permissions for Chrome to install apps, and the installation process will begin. After the app is installed, locate it on your device and open it. You can now start exploring the app. To begin using Sportsbazi, you'll first need to verify your mobile number. Enter your number, click on Send OTP, and you'll receive a verification code. Enter the code, and you're ready to go. The next step is to complete your KYC. Start by clicking on Verify Now at the bottom of the screen. First, you'll need to verify your email ID. Enter a valid email address. Then click Verify Email. Go to your email inbox, find the verification link, and click on Verify My Email. Once your email is verified, return to the Sportsbazi app to confirm your email verification. After verifying your email, you'll need to verify your PAN card. Simply enter your valid PAN number, followed by your full name as it appears on your PAN card, and your date of birth. Select your state, and then click on Verify PAN. After your PAN is verified, the next step is to verify your Aadhaar. Click on Verify Aadhaar, enter your Aadhaar number, followed by the verification text, and press Next. You'll receive an OTP on the mobile number linked to your Aadhaar. Enter it and press Continue. You'll then need to enter your 6-digit DigiLocker security PIN and press Continue. Finally, press Allow to complete the KYC process. With your KYC complete, you're ready to indulge in the games offered by Sportsbazi. But first, you need to add money to your wallet. In the top right corner of the screen, click on the wallet icon, then select Add Money. Enter the amount you wish to add, choose your preferred payment mode, and proceed to complete the payment. Now that your wallet is funded, you can start playing. Now let's dive into the steps for playing the Predictor Leagues games. To do this, head to the My Matches section within the app. Here, you'll find the Upcoming tab. Click on it to view all the upcoming matches available for prediction. Among these, locate the Predictor Leagues games. After you click on the Predictor Leagues games, a window will appear with 4 different options. From these, select the Predictor Leagues option. Here in the Leagues tab, you can choose the games you want to indulge in. Now, click on Join League. Before you jump in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the basics by clicking on Learn Basics. You'll be guided through 4 informative slides, which will give you a good understanding of how to play. Once you've gone through these, click on Let's Play to get started. In this Predictor Leagues game, you'll notice you have 5,000 coins at your disposal. Your goal is to invest these coins wisely. For every correct prediction you make, you stand a chance to multiply your invested coins by 10x. The process is simple. Choose your prediction and decide whether the outcome will be yes or no. You can invest anywhere between 500 to 2,000 coins for each prediction. Remember, to qualify for the rewards and payouts on Avsar, you need to participate in at least 5 Predictor Leagues games. So, keep playing, making smart predictions, and enjoy the thrill of fantasy sports. Finally, head back to the Avsar app. Navigate to the My Activity section and track your shares, clicks, and transactions. You can also check your Avsar rewards to see how much you've earned from this offer. Dive into the exciting world of fantasy sports with Sportsbazi and enjoy the rewards that come with it on Avsar. Download the app now, share the offer, and start earning.